Hi. So we all know that Amazon Great Indian Festival has started from 2nd of October and it's going to go up to 9th of October for all our stores. Okay, so in this video, we would like to specifically discuss about the instant discount that we are currently being offered by HDFC cards. Okay, so typically, if you look at the previous sale events of Amazon, okay, so the discount from the card is used to be quite simple. There used to be a minimum order value of 3000 rupees, and the maximum discount used to be 1500 rupees per card. Okay, it used to be like that. But right now, if you look at the current discount that is being given by HDFC, so the discount has significantly increased. So the maximum discount per card has gone up to 12,750 rupees per credit card. Okay, so it's a significant jump from the 1500 rupees that it used to be before. So now it is up to 12,750 rupees. Okay, so and there are quite a bit of regulations, understandings on things are a little bit complicated compared to the previous sales. So we are making this video to help you understand more about the HDFC card offers. Okay, so at the end of the video, you should be able to perfectly understand how much discount are you going to get, for doing any transaction using a HDFC credit or debit card. Let's get started. So the few things that you have to remember. The first thing is the offer duration. So Amazon has divided the whole sale period into three parts. So 2nd to 4th October would be one thing, 5th to 7th October would be another second period, and then 8th and 9th would be another period. Okay, so based on the offer duration, so based on this date, so Amazon has adjusted or made some changes to the Amazon has basically made some changes to the discount amount that is being allotted. So you have to understand, you have to keep in mind that the discount amount is actually determined by the date on which you are actually making the transaction. Okay, so we'll talk more about it. And the second thing is the category. Okay, so the maximum discount and the minimum order value category, minimum order value are decided by the category of the product. So again, we'll also discuss that about that in detail. So all I'm trying to say is that category is important, and whether the order is an EMI order or a non-EMI order. Okay, for us, anyhow, we are only going to do non-EMI orders. Okay, and then the payment terms. So how are you actually making the payment? So for us to get the incentives, for us to get the commissions, we only have to do a POS machine transaction. Okay, so if you don't do a POS machine transaction, you will not be getting the incentives. Very simple. Okay, so and also a couple of people have raised a concern saying that would you be getting the discount if you make a pay on delivery order and then swipe your card on the easy tap machine that the delivery person gets? No, unfortunately. So for POD transactions or any sort of EMI transactions or whatever, you'll not be getting the discount or the incentive amount. So the discount amount is only for prepaid orders that are done through the POS machine using the paired store mechanism. Okay, so let's get started. So at a very high level, there are two components in the discount that we are getting. So the first thing is called instant discount, and the second thing is called the bonus discount. Okay, so although the bonus discount is also instant in nature, which means that basically the discount that we are going to get it in the instant form only, but just they're given a different name for it as bonus discount. Okay, so the first part. So for 2nd to 4th October, the maximum discount is 2000 rupees per card. Okay, and from 5th to 7th, the maximum discount is 1750. Okay, and then the bonus discount. The bonus discount is the maximum. Sorry, there are two components here. So if the order value is greater than 30,000 rupees, so you get a bonus discount of 1500 rupees. This 1500 rupees will be additional to the instant discount. Okay, and then if the order value is greater than 1 lakh, okay, so then the bonus discount is going to be 7500 rupees. Okay, so now let's look into let's get into the specifics of the whole thing. So this is the main sheet which explains the proper rules for the credit card. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity, we'll just look at the top part. Okay, the duration is going to be 2nd to 4th October. So for 2nd to 4th October, these are the three categories that we have: mobile phones, grocery, and the remaining categories. So for mobile phones, the minimum order value to get the discount is 5,000 rupees. Okay, and for grocery, the minimum order value required to get the discount is 2,500. And for any other category also, the minimum order value to get is 5,000. So it is simple. For grocery, 2,500. For everything else, it is 5,000, the minimum order value. Okay, and the discount, the maximum discount that is allowed. Okay, for a mobile phone, the maximum discount that's allowed is 1,500 rupees. For grocery, it is 300 rupees. For all the other categories, it is 1,750 rupees. Okay, so the maximum discount is decided by the category of the product. Okay, so similarly, for 5th to 7th October, the numbers are slightly different. It is, for mobile phones, instead of 1,500 here, we're getting only 1,250. And for other categories, instead of 1,750, we'll be getting only 1,500 rupees. So it is reduced by 250 rupees, the maximum discount. Okay, and also the total per card limit. Okay, the per card limit from 2nd to 4th October is 2,000, whereas from 5th to 7th, it is only going to be 1,750. Okay. Cool. So if you look at the debit cards is relatively simple. So there are only two categories here, grocery and non-grocery. For grocery, the minimum order value is 2,500 and for others it is 5,000. And the maximum discount for a grocery order is only 300 rupees, whereas for the other categories it is 1,000 rupees. But that's it. So using the same debit card, using one debit card, okay, from 2nd to 4th October, you will be getting a discount of 1,000 rupees here. Okay, and also sorry, the maximum discount per card is only 1,000. Okay, so from 5th to 7th October, also you can use the same card again, and then the same rules are applicable. Okay, so the maximum discount for a grocery order is 300, for others it is 1,000, but the total limit is only 1,000 rupees. Okay, so let's so it might be slightly complicated, but the moment you look at some examples, you'll easily understand what we are trying to say. Okay, coming to the second part. So as discussed, so the second component of the discount is the bonus discount. The bonus discount is only applicable during 2nd to 7th October, only on credit card, EMI and non-EMI transactions. Okay, so bonus discount is not applicable on debit cards. Okay, it's only applicable on the credit cards. So there are two components or two different constructs. So if the order value is greater than 30,000 rupees, so the bonus discount is 1,500 rupees. And since bonus discount is also instant, he has written as instant discount here. Okay. If the order value is greater than 1,000 rupees, so you get a flat additional discount of 7,500 rupees plus another 1,500 also. So for a order value whose for an order whose value is more than 1 lakh rupees, you get 7,500 plus 1,500 rupees, a total of 9,000 rupees is what you get. Okay. So let's look at this part. So what is the maximum discount that you could make per credit card, and what is the maximum discount that you can make per debit card? So let's look at that. So here the best part is that Amazon is actually allowing you to use the same credit card two times. Okay, so from 2nd to 4th October, you can use the credit card and you would be getting 2,000 rupees at a maximum of 2,000 rupees instant discount. And you could also use the same card again during 5th to 7th October, and then you can get a maximum discount of 1,750 rupees. Plus, the bonus discount is only once, so you cannot get bonus discount twice. Okay, so if you make an order, if you make a single order whose value is more than 1 lakh, so you get 1,500 plus 7,500, together 9,000 rupees is what you get. So if you add all these things, so you get a total discount of 12,750 rupees. Okay, so the maximum discount per credit card is 12,750 rupees. Okay, during the 2nd to 7th October part. Okay, so as told you before, 8th and 9th October details are not yet revealed. So we do not know whether we get the discount with the same HDFC card, or will it be a different card, or will the rules be different. So for now we don't know that. So we have to wait until 8th October to know the numbers. Okay, and similarly for debit card, okay, so from 2nd to 4th October the maximum discount is 1,000. Okay, from 5th to 7th October the maximum discount is 1,000. And because there is no bonus component, so the total discount that is available with a debit card from 2nd to 7th October is only 2,000 rupees. Okay, I hope this part is clear. So just to quickly summarize the whole thing, so this offer is applicable from 2nd October to 7th October for all our stores. and the minimum order value for grocery is 2,500. For all the other categories, the minimum order value is 5,000 rupees. So if your order value comes under some other category, let's say a mobile phone or a TV, and the order value is less than 5,000, you do not get the discount. Okay, and items per order. So many a time people get confused whether the offer is on a single item or a single order. So the offer is at an order level, not at an item level. So inside a single order, you can have multiple items. You can probably have 10 different items. It doesn't matter. So the discount is calculated on the basis of the total order value, not at an item level. And then the bonus offer that we've discussed is only applicable from 2nd to 7th October on credit card, EMI, and non-EMI transactions. So I hope this part is clear till now. So this is the first part of the video where I try to explain the concept part of the whole thing. So if you have any doubts regarding the same thing, okay, so you can just WhatsApp us directly on this number and someone will call you and explain you and clarify all your doubts. Okay, and if you do not have a POS machine and if you would like to apply a POS machine, so please WhatsApp again on the same number and just mention that you are looking for a POS machine, and then we'll arrange a POS machine for you. Simple. Okay, so then there in the second video, second part of this video, so we'll quickly take some examples to make to make sure that you understand the concept 100% clear. Thank you.